Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating obvious drag. First, close background apps and stop resource hogs. This frees CPU and RAM immediately. Once done, restart your router and switch to Ethernet to cut jitter, because Wi-Fi adds unpredictable delay. Next, set your device to high performance and turn off fancy visuals so the system dedicates cycles to what matters. These initial moves create stable conditions. Now you have the baseline needed to diagnose deeper sources of lag and proceed with precision. You now focus on the core bottlenecks. Update GPU, chipset, and network drivers because modern drivers reduce latency and fix inefficiencies. Then tune app settings, lower render quality, disable unnecessary sync features, and cap background updates so foreground tasks get priority. Also manage storage. Trim SSDs and free 10 to 20% of disk space to avoid slow I/O spikes. Defragment HDDs if applicable. Once these are applied, measure performance to confirm which remaining subs. You finish by validating and protecting your improvements. Run continuous monitoring so you see CPU, RAM, disk, and network patterns while reproducing the lag. This reveals persistent spikes. If an update or tweak makes things worse, roll back the driver or use a system restore point. Make sure to create backups before big changes. Finally, test with a controlled workload and apply one change at a time so you can isolate effects. That method prevents chasing phantom fixes and ensures the lag is truly gone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.